final box. This game's getting out of control. Oh, he might not be in. All right, here we go. So 2015 Spectra Case 3 box break number 5, 10:59 Eastern Standard Time. Jason up top. You got Packer 42390. Putting the last 5 of his Soch. It's a risky move, but I like what you're doing. Ryan R, JC Barfly, J True, Jason S, Ryan R, Marley Gus, Bobo back up in the mix. Big Dog is due. DJ Bright, Pav. Got the crew up in here. Foxco, where you been, player? What up, man? Jamie R, also due. We got a couple of you guys are due. Come on. All right, so there's only 3 more boxes in that case, so we're going to definitely knock those out tomorrow. So here we go with Spectra. Thanks, guys, for hanging out tonight. And thanks for if you guys tuned in earlier today. So here's one of those quirky cards right here. Terrence West signed late last year so that you can only get this Terrence West card. Not that you'd really want it, but Pav, there you go. It's a Terrence West from 2014 Spectra, 45 out of 149. You can only get them in the 15 product. Here's Jameis Winston, Charlie Sims, Doug Martin, and Mike Evans. Tampa Bay, JC Barfly. 9 out of 199. Joe Namath to the Jets. Where are those Jets at? Jason S. There you go, bub. 76 out of 99. Joe Namath. Dallas fell down to 28th. AM Cowboys is just kicking himself right now. 4 out of 25. Deion Sanders. Little old school Deion. Bobo. 32nd spot. He'll take it. Reversed. Oh, boy. All right, then you got Devontae Parker going to Miami. Bobo. Give it to him again. 128 on 199. Dion Lewis is going to snake this in a heartbeat. You watch. Then you got JJ 4-color jumbo patch to Miami. So Bobo cleaning up with Miami's 8 out of 25. Jesse James to Pittsburgh. $26 out of 50. So Grifster, there you go, buddy. Then Bryce Petty, going back to those Jets, Jason S. 1 out of 5. So shorter print, Bryce Petty there for you, bub. And then you got a Deshaun Jackson and Barry Church. Oh, gosh, I was so close. So this is Deshaun Jackson and Barry Church. 48 out of 49. Going to Washington, Bobo. Prince Amukamara. Going to those Giants, Jason S. 48 out of 99. Then you got Brandon Cooks. Going to New Orleans. That'll be DJ Bright. There you go, buddy. 84 to 199. Gronk, Gronk, Gronk. He's an animal. All right, then you got Buck Allen. That'll be 40 out of 99 going to Baltimore. We need something in this last pack. If not, there's some monsters lurking around in the rest of this box. Here's Duke Johnson going to those Browns. So Pav, there you go, bub. 85 out of 99. Then you got Garrett Grayson going to New Orleans. DJ Bright. That'll be 7 out of 25, so shorter print there, bub. Devontae Adams going to Green Bay. So GB, who's got him? It's way up there. Packer, get him on the board. 131 out of 199, Devontae Adams. And then a Barkevious Mingo. You guys want to do one more? I mean, we're here watching the game. We could do one more. This is 23 out of 49. We can't go out like that. You guys want it? We can. Walter's in. We know that. Who else is in?